In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Adobe Fresco. Now to do this, there's actually a few ways. I'm going to show you the easiest ones. In many cases, likely the only thing you have to do is simply hide the bottom layer, which is the background, which by default usually is not transparent, okay? So what you want to do is click on the background layer here at the bottom. If the layers aren't showing, simply click on this layer button top right to show them. Click on the bottom layer, and then over here you can click on this hide icon, so click on that. And there we go. As you can see, you've removed the background and it's now transparent. If you can't see this button, you can also right click on your layer and click on hide layer. So that's the first thing you should check, and if it works for you, that's great. You've successfully removed your background. But if it doesn't work, and if the background basically didn't get removed, that's because you actually weren't painting on a pixel or of course a transparent background, but rather on a solid color background. So let me show you how to fix this as well. So let's say, of course, this is the same picture over here. If I go and try this, and if I remove the background by hiding it, as you can see, it didn't do anything because I'm actually painting not on a transparent layer, which is apparent over here, but I am painting on a solid color layer. In this case, it's white, okay? So in this case, then it's going to be a bit more unfortunate. You're going to have to actually kind of erase this, okay? So if you've maybe used this fill bucket over here, so if you selected a color and basically used the fill bucket, this may be the reason, okay? So what you can first try to do, it's going to work quite well, is go to this fill bucket over here and click on the color up top, and then you can go and either change the opacity to 0 like this and then click inside here, or what you could also do is go and change this kind of opacity 0 down as one of the colors, okay? Now what you can then try is click on that layer and click somewhere where of course you want to remove background, and as you can see, it may work. Now in my case it doesn't, and in your case it may not work as well, and if it doesn't, you unfortunately are going to have to use this eraser brush. So click on the eraser brush. You can change its size over here, and then you can just go ahead and start erasing just like this. And as you can see, you can do it manually, and then it's going to allow you to remove background. Oops, I actually quit by mistake over here, but you get the point. You get what I'm trying to say here, okay? So you have to essentially just click and drag and remove the background manually that way. Now if you have like more complex images than I do over here, it's going to be quite hard and it's going to take a bit of time, but then unfortunately in this program it's the only way to actually do it. Otherwise you can use any other programs, maybe like Photoshop or Express or something similar, to actually remove your background. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.